Welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to be showing you guys how to get the Smaugs NFT token using Trust Wallet and Pancakeswap. I'm going to be showing you guys step by step how to purchase BNB on Binance, transferring that over to your smart chain wallet on your Trust Wallet, and then swapping it for the Smaugs NFT token. It's actually pretty easy to do, should only take about 10 minutes. And I'd just like to let you guys know as well that I do have daily cryptocurrency tutorials coming out on my channel, showing you guys how to buy, how to sell, and more within the crypto space. So if you guys are interested in that kind of stuff, I'd really recommend subscribing to the channel, as I'll have lots of videos into the future showing you guys how to use cryptocurrencies and stuff like that. Anyhow, just stay tuned for this video and I'll show you guys exactly how to buy the Smaugs NFT token. The first step that you guys want to do is you guys want to download Trust Wallet from the App Store. So just head over to the App Store and type in Trust Wallet. So I'm going to head over here, search, then just search for Trust Wallet. And it'll just be this first one right here, Trusts, and then the crypto and Bitcoin wallet. So you just want to download that first. Then obviously you want to make sure that you have Binance or Coinbase or an exchange of some sort, and then create accounts on Binance, which is pretty straightforward. Most of you guys probably already have that, or an exchange that you guys at least have access to. So I'll just leave that as it is. So just make sure you guys download the Trust Wallet first. Once you guys do that, you can exit out of here and open up Trust Wallet. You'll then be greeted with this right here to create a new wallet. So you're going to want to go ahead and click on create a new wallet. And then it's going to let you know here that you have to back up your wallet now, and you will see 12 words that allows you to recover your wallet in the next step. So you just got to click on the bottom here that I understand that if I lose the recovery words, I will not be able to access my wallet. So it's very, very important that you guys do not lose these words, or else you will lose access to your wallet. And I do not recommend taking a screenshot either. I recommend just writing it down on a piece of paper and putting it in a safe place. Anyhow, you just want to click on I understand for that and then continue. Then here is your 12 words that you cannot show anyone or anything like that. I'm obviously not going to use this account. That's why I'm okay showing it. But these are the words that you guys want to write down and keep in a safe place, or else you could lose all your cryptocurrencies that you have in your wallet. Very, very important. Anyhow, once you're done writing this stuff down, you can click on continue. And then you're going to have to put the words in here to verify the recovery phrase. So just make sure you guys go ahead and do that. And then once you guys put those words in and in the right order, you will see this message here that your wallet was successfully created. That's exactly what you want to see. So you just want to go ahead and click on OK here. And then what you guys want to do next is you want to transfer over BNB or Smart Chain here. So you're going to have to go to an exchange that you either can purchase BNB or Smart Chain, or you already have some in. So I'm just going to show you guys Binance, for example. So we're just going to exit out of here and head over to Binance Exchange. And what you guys want to do on here is you want to either purchase BNB, or you could trade it from another crypto into it. So if you guys don't have anything in here yet, you guys first want to obviously create an account on Binance, but I'm going to assume you guys have already done that. So once you guys are done doing that, you just want to go to a deposit option here. So whether it's a bank transfer or a Visa or MasterCard, you can go ahead and click on that. Once you guys are in here, you guys can just go over to where it says buy. And you just want to switch this over to BNB. And then you just want to choose the amount from your native currency that you guys want to transfer into BNB. So let's just say if I wanted to do $500, I can type in $500, and then it will give me 0.73 BNB. Now, if you're okay with this, you can just click on continue at the bottom, and then it will go into your Binance wallet. Now, to withdraw your BNB, you just want to go over to the bottom right corner where it says wallets. Click on that. Then you just want to scroll down until you find BNB. Once you guys find BNB here, you just want to go ahead and click on it. Then you want to click on withdraw. What you guys want to do now is you guys want to exit out and back over to your Trust Wallet. Click on the Smart Chain. And then you want to click on receive, copy. And this was going to copy the address for the Trust Wallet. Now you're going to want to put the BNB into the Smart Chain because it's going to be a lot easier just to quickly transfer it into the coin that you guys are looking for. So yeah, just transfer the BNB over to the Smart Chain just like I did here. So you just want to back out of here, back over to Binance, and then you want to click on address and paste that address right here. Now I already have it in my whitelist, so I can just click on it, but you guys are just going to want to paste it up at the very top there. Now what you guys want to do is you guys want to click on network and just make sure it is on the BEP20 right here that mine is on. You just want to click on confirm for that, and then you want to click on the amount that you want to transfer. So if you want to transfer all of your BNB, just click on max, or you can click on the amount that you want to type in and just type in the amount that you want. Once you guys do that, you just want to click on withdraw at the bottom here. Once you guys click on withdraw, it should only take about a couple minutes to go over to your Trust Wallet. So we'll just give that a couple minutes, and then you just want to head back over to your Trust Wallet. And once you guys have your BNB in your Trust Wallet, whether you guys transferred it from another exchange like I showed you with Binance, or you guys just purchased it in the app, which you guys can do as well, you just have to make sure that it is in your Smart Chain wallet. And to do that, you just want to scroll down and see where it says Smart Chain. Just make sure you see your BNB in the Smart Chain wallet. If it's not there and you have it in your BNB wallet, all you guys have to do is click on BNB, click on more, and then just click on swap to Smart Chain. Once you guys do that, it'll transfer it over to your Smart Chain wallet, and you will have to have it in there for it to show on Pancakeswap. So just wanted to point that out there really quick. Anyhow, the first step that you guys have to do here is add the token to Trust Wallet, and I'll have a link over to CoinMarketCap so you guys can copy the contract address and then paste it into your Trust Wallet. So I'll show you guys really quick. If you just head over to CoinMarketCap, you'll be on this page right here. You just want to go ahead to beside where it says contracts and copy that contract address. Once you guys copy the contract address, you can exit back over to Trust Wallet. And all you guys want to do is go to the top right of your screen where you see the 2 lines and the 2 circles. Go ahead and click on that. And just go to the top search bar and you just want to paste that contract address in here. Once you guys do that, you want to click on enable right beside where it says SMG and then click on done. Once you guys are done doing that, you want to go over to the browser icon on the bottom of your screen. For whatever reason, if you guys don't have the browser icon there, I'll have a second link in the description for you guys to enable the browser. And I'll show you guys really quick what that looks like as well. You just head over to that link. It'll show you right here exactly what to do. There's 3 steps. All you guys have to do is click on the first step here where it says Trust Browser Enable. Once you guys click on that button there, it's then going to pop up a pop-up here that says Open Page in Trust. Once you guys click on Open there, it will then pop you back open to your Trust Wallet, and then you'll see the browser button there at the bottom. Very simple and easy to do. But once you guys have done that, you just want to go over to your browser, and you want to go to where it says Pancakeswap. Now, if this is your first time on Pancakeswap, you will have to connect your wallet. So on the top of your screen, you'll see a button that says Connect. You want to go ahead and click on Connect, and then click on Trust Wallet. It will then show your wallet address up in the top there. And once you guys see your wallet address, you can go ahead to the bottom here where it says their BNB balance. I just want to make sure your BNB balance is there. And like I said before, just make sure it's on your Smart Chain wallet, and then it will show your balance here. But once you guys have your balance there as well, you just want to go ahead and click on Select a Currency. And you want to paste that contract address that we got from CoinMarketCap in here as well. Once you guys do that, you want to click on Add, and then click on the coin. Once you have the coin in here, you want to change your slippage tolerance to at least 10%. This is just to cover any fluctuation in market prices when we're buying it, because every time you guys try to put through a transaction on Pancakeswap, you will be charged fees. So I just like putting 10% or 12%, depending on what coin it is, just to make sure the transaction goes through the first time, because I want to avoid paying as much fees as possible. But you guys can play around with the slippage tolerance if you would like to. Now, to change that, you just want to go beside where it says Exchange, where you see the 3 lines. Once you guys click on that, you can then change your slippage tolerance here to whatever you would like. And like I said, I'd recommend using something around like 10, maybe 7 for this token, because it is a little bit more expensive than a lot of other tokens that you guys buy from Pancakeswap. But anyways, I'm just going to use 10 for this video example, and then click on X out of there. And now all I have to do is decide how much BNB that you guys want to transfer over into the SMG token. So let's just say, for example, I want to do 0.2. I can go ahead and type that in. And then it's going to show me here what I'll get in exchange for my 0.2 BNB. Now, if you guys are comfortable with what you guys see here, you just want to click on where it says insufficient BNB balance for me. It's going to tell you here just to swap it. And then the next page, it'll show you the transaction fees and the withdrawal rate and things like that you guys will have to pay. Now, if you guys are comfortable with that, you can exit out of there and click on confirm or swap. And then we can exit out of Pancakeswap, head back over to our Trust Wallet, and then you will see your SMG token in here, usually within a couple minutes. It depends on the liquidity. Anyhow, I really hope I was able to help you guys out, showing you guys how to get the SMG or the Smaugs NFT token. If this video did help you out, be sure to leave a like on it and subscribe for more. Thanks for watching.